Hello, in this cybersecurity CyberStart tutorial, we'll cover Level 1, Challenge 4 of the Moonbase. So this is called Maths in Code. Let's get started. So in programming, we can also do math, or addition, subtraction, etc. So to add, we'll just use the normal plus sign. To multiply, we can use the asterisk, and to divide, we can use the forward slash. We can also do subtraction with the subtraction sign. And there are other operations too, but these are the most commonly used. To do exponents, we can use two asterisks. So our challenge now would be creating a variable called CH1 and setting that equal to 80 times 512. So we'll do 80 times 512. And next we're creating a variable called CH2, and that will be equal to 124 plus 786. Next, we will create a variable called ch3, set that equal to 40 minus 100, and ch4 will be equal to 33 divided by 6, and ch5 will be equal to 2 to the power of 6. We'll add an equal sign here too. Now we're going to save a 0.33 to a variable called ch6 underscore 1. And we'll save 5 to a variable called ch6 underscore 2. Alright, now we will multiply these values, so I guess we could do, this is a 2, so ch6 is equal to ch6 underscore 1 times ch6 underscore 2. Now let's print our variables. So we can essentially just copy this and submit. Okay, so indentation is important in Python, so I can remove the space here. Great, we got our flag.